All right, any of you guys with the Foxbody, you know the struggle is real. Went to get in my car today. Nothing. Door handle broke. So I got some new ones. I'll have to get in from here for now, I guess. So I got some new ones from LMR. They look all right. They're supposed to be the steel ones. I got black ones. Should work all right. We're gonna take this thing apart and get the doors fixed. I also have some window guide bushings that I need to fix, so I won't be putting the door panels back on just yet, but one thing at a time. So my car's an 86, and most of all of this is just a bunch of Phillips screws to take all these off. But on some of the 87 and 93, it might be a little bit different. I know it is. I've done it on a couple of those. I think there's some bolts that hold the armrest on, and actually maybe this one too, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not. Try to show you. So what happens here, you can see right in there where that's moving? So there's a little piece that this rod actually, right here, fits onto. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that rod right there has to attach to the handle, and then it pushes it down to open the door. So what happens, try to get mine out of the package here. There we go. So what happens is that little piece, breaks off. So the door handle will be mounted like that. You can see that little piece right there. It just breaks off. So what we're gonna do, and this comes with rivets. A lot of people use bolts, but I'm gonna use the rivets that came in the kit. But you can see right there, there's 2 rivets. So you have to drill those rivets out and then put in the new ones. The only problem with those rivets is the ones that come in the kit are huge, and most places don't sell rivet guns big enough. So those are the rivets that come in the kit. Those are 1/8 inch rivets. So those rivets are pretty tough to use. So LMR actually sells, I got this from them too. So this is the rivet gun that you need. It's just a bigger rivet gun basically. All right, here goes. So I'm just gonna drill these out one at a time. goes in here like so. Rivet it onto the door. Simple as that. Again, these are the 1/8 inch rivets that it comes with in the kit. I've seen a lot of people use bolts before, but I'm gonna use what it came with. So this is the rivet tool that I got. This one's a Pittsburgh. I'm assuming that this is for, yep, so this little bottle catches the rivet ends, that way you don't end up putting them all over the floor. Pretty neat little tool. So I've got to find, yeah, so that's the one that I need. So I've got to get that big guy off there and swap it out with the end piece here. So I guess the biggest piece of advice I can give you guys if you're doing this is to be patient when you're drilling these rivets out, because they are steel. The inside of that is steel, so it takes a little bit to drill that out. Otherwise, it's a pretty straightforward process. So I'm gonna put both of these in, make sure that it's lined up right, and then we'll drive her home. Make sure we get it on there. There we go. That works really good. Now, anytime you're doing rivets, if you've never done rivets before, you have to make sure that you get it pushed in there really tight, and then start squeezing in there. Otherwise, it's not going to pull pieces of metal together very well. Oh, that sucks. See, my rivet gun jumped off there and gave me a little paint chip. That's all right. This is by no means a show car. I do have to say, I like this little container here that catches the rivets in it so you're not chasing them all around. That's pretty nice. All right, so now I'm on the inside here. You can see here's my old rivet. Got that guy out, found it at the door. Trying to find the other one, I don't know where it went to. So the last thing that I've got to do is connect this rod into there. There you go. So that's the piece that broke off on the original one. Get that out of there. So that connects right down here. Let me see if I can maybe get you guys in a view where you can see. So that piece, that yellow piece right down there, so that rod connects to. So I'm going to unsnap that yellow piece, and then let's see if I can just prop this light here. There we go. Try to give you guys a view while I do this. There you go. So that yellow piece down in here, that has to go out of the way. Go like that. And you can pull it out. See that? So that pulls out of there. Then up here, you're gonna go into the handle first. So you're gonna go right in there. It's gonna be a tight fit. And then I'm gonna go right back down in there. See if I can get a better camera angle. And you'll snap it back in that yellow piece. See that? So to do that, there's this piece on the top. Yep, so turn it over, push it in. And this piece comes back over in front to hold it in there, just like that. There you go. That's connected up there to the door handle. You can see right there. Let me get my light over here so I can give you guys a better, maybe. There you go, now you can see. So we're connected right up there on top. And also right down here on that piece there, that yellow piece. That's that. Now when I pull the door handle from the outside, oh yeah, you'll hear it opening. Now for the test. You have to shut it and make sure it opens. Perfect. I would say the quality on that door handle, I don't know if you can see that, it flops a little bit, which is fine. That's that little piece up top pushing down on that rod. When you open it, kind of sticks a little. That could just be that I need to grease my striker inside. One thing I always tell people that are opening my doors is that if you just pull up on this, you put a lot of stress on the hinge, but if you put your thumb here and push down as you pull up, it opens a lot easier. I don't know why. Foxbody Mustang things. Stupid problem to have. But look at that. Now I can open my door again. Sweet. All right, next video is going to be some more about replacing these window guide bushings. I don't know if you can tell from here, but mine are shot. Let me turn power onto the car. I've got a cutoff switch back here in my car. Let's see if you guys can see that or not. Battery's back here, got a cutoff switch. Power onto the car, we'll get the window. Get the window down, see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah. So there's two window guide bushings right here. This is what I'm doing next. So these get worn, and then your window gets floppy. I don't know if you can see that, but see how it's moving back and forth right there? So these window guide bushings need replaced. That way it doesn't flop side to side when you're trying to roll your window up. So that's my next task. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, a like if you think there's something I can do better. Let me know. See you on the next video. Have a good one.